friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious Filipino chicken adobo recipe. Hope you like it. Filipino adobo is a dish native to the Philippines that is considered the unofficial national dish. It is most often made with chicken or pork, seasoned with vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, black pepper, and bay leaves. I have never eaten authentic adobo chicken wings, and I found this recipe online. Following the recipe, my family and I love it, especially the light flavor of the bay leaf. Adobo comes from the Spanish adobar, which means sauce or pickle juice. When the Spanish colonized the Philippines, the colonists called the food cooked by the locals with vinegar Filipino adobo, and this name continues to this day. If my recipe is not 100% according to the recipe, please forgive me and give me some advice, yeah. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Cut chicken wings into 3 parts. Marinating sauce. Water. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, pepper powder, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Add chicken. Add bay leaves. Marinate overnight. The chicken are already marinated. Cover aluminum foil on baking tray. Drizzle cooking oil. Place chicken wings on top. Drizzle cooking oil. (180°) 10 minutes. Flip chicken and continue roast. (200°) for minutes. Chicken is done. Let's eat. This grilled chicken wings is simple to make. It is recommended that you marinate them in advance and put them in the refrigerator. When you want to eat them, thaw them and you can grill them. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.